for the safety demonstration.
Ladies and gentlemen, your safety is important to us. Please pause for a minute and give your attention to the flight attendants. Luggage and personal articles should be stowed either overhead or under the seat in front of you. To prepare for departure, close your tray tables, place your seat in the upright position, and for those customer seats in an overwing exit, window shades must remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you haven't already fastened your seat belt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle, pull the strap so it's tight across your hip. To open your seat belt, lift the top of the buckle. Keep your seat belt fastened when the seat belt sign is on, and in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you are in your seat. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew instructions. All flights are non-smoking. That includes e-cigarettes. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this aircraft, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. This airplane has 2 door exits in the front, 2 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency, and when directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, the exit door slides in the front and back of the aircraft can be detached and used for flotation. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs and lights. Keep in mind that the closest exit may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen mask will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag doesn't inflate. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, your life vest is in a compartment under or next to your seat. Pull the strap to remove the life vest pouch, and if equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and tighten. Inflate your vest as you leave the aircraft by pulling down on the red tab or by blowing into the red tube. Never inflate the vest inside the aircraft. All vests have a light that turns on automatically in the water. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a flight attendant, and the safety card shows you how to use it. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls are just overhead. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight. We do thank you for watching our safety demonstration. The use of face coverings on our aircraft is optional, and we ask that whether you choose to wear a face mask or not, that you please respect your fellow passengers and crew members' decisions. In the event oxygen mask drop from an overhead compartment, remove your face mask before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. In addition, federal regulations prohibit smoking, including the use of vaping devices, at any time on board the aircraft. Electronic smoking devices may not be plugged into any power source, including the USB ports and AC outlets. We'll be coming through the aisles now for your final safety check. We do appreciate you choosing American Airlines. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.